Complete Automotive Locksmith Training. Only on Udemy platform now. Master Automotive Locksmithing with this in-depth course featuring 15 sections, 59 lectures, 8 hours and 37 minutes of content, and 18 downloadable resources. Learn key cutting, key copying, transponder key cloning, OBD programming, EEPROM, and on-bench full jobs through detailed, practical videos. What you'll learn: fundamentals of automotive locksmithing, essential tools and techniques, overview of auto key types and lock mechanisms, comprehensive guide to transponder key processes, methods for extracting PIN codes, introduction to OBChem bus systems, EEPROM and bench work operations, techniques for lock picking and decoding, key cutting and duplication for vehicles, determining correct key bitting, programming transponder keys and key fobs, key programmers and key cutters, specifications, prices, and reliability. Course available only on Udemy. Link in the description.